No jumping, Sterling. Go get it. Oh, there was a puppy in there. That's why he didn't go through. You want to throw another toy through? Maybe puppy's going to go through. Go ahead, Nico. There's the tunnel. Where's Sterling? Good boy. Who's going through next? Nico? Nico, where's Danny? Where's Danny? Go get her. Oh, two doggies in the tunnel. Through the tunnel again. Through the tunnel again. And Isaac demolishes the tunnel. Nico, what are they doing? They're so silly. Where is he, Isaac? Oh, hey, that's naughty. Get him, Isaac. Get him. You say no, naughty puppy. Don't do that. Go in the tunnel, Nico. Isaac, what's he doing? Isaac, go get him. Go get that naughty puppy. Get that naughty puppy.